How do you multiply when you have to work with decimals? Well, you might have seen something like this. Let's take a question like 27 times 3/10. All right? People might say to you, and maybe you've done this in class, one of your parents have told you, who knows, but they say ignore the decimal and simply multiply as if it's whole numbers. So 3 times 7 is 21. They do the little magic, carry the 2 up there. 3 times 2 is 6, and 2 more is 8. And then you count the decimals and you place it here. All right? And there are variations on this. Some people say to estimate and put it here. It works. But the thing that concerns me about this is it's easy to think that this works because it's kind of magic. I mean, why does it work? Math is not about magic. Math is based on strict logic. So what's the logic behind this? Why does this sort of thing work? Well, let's take a look at what's really happening because it's based on some pretty powerful mathematics. What's really happening is that we think of this question like 27 times 3/10. What we're really doing is thinking about this as 3 divided by 10, because that's what 3/10 is. 3/10 is simply 3 divided by 10. 3 divided by 10, 3/10. What's kind of cool about multiplication and division is that you can do them in any order you wish. So what we're doing here is we're actually doing this first. 27 times 3. I won't put this equal sign because what I'm going to do doesn't actually equal that sentence there. 27 times 3 equals 81. And then I'm going to take that and I'm going to divide it by 10. If you remember your place value chart, this does equal this. If you remember your place value chart, if we want to divide a number by 10, all we have to do is shift the digits. So that instead of the decimal will stay here, but I'm going to move my digits one space over. So this is now going to be 8 and 1/10. Instead of my decimal being here and this being my ones column, now my ones column is here. I've shifted them over.